Welcome to HT Sweets UK Limited. We are the supplier of high-quality slush, popcorn, ice cream, snow cone, hot dog and candy floss machines as well as all their parts. Visit our website to get machines, all their parts and accessories. First, understand that we have to fix pins of plunger into the bowl holes. Now the next step is to lubricate the points of plunger as well as bowl. Apply lubricant careful on the points of plunger and bowl as shown in video. Now first fix pin of plunger into bowl and then carefully press the small lever with thumbs until the button touches pin of plunger. That's how you can fix the plunger of SPIN GBG Slush Machine into bowl. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel to get more videos from us. Visit our website to order now. You will get your order delivered in 1 to 3 working days if you order before 12 p.m.